Hi, I'm Todd Emmett, Director of Qube's Bulk Division, specialised in the Australian resources industry, operating services right across the country. Qube Bulk has a very large fleet of equipment, from road transport fleet, over 1,000 prime movers and trailers. We replace our equipment on a useful life basis. So every year we would be buying between 30 to 40 front-end loaders and other equipment. And the way we grown our market share in the Australian resource industry is by providing solutions that add value, either by reducing friction points along the supply chain, by improving efficiencies, whether that's cycle times or payloads, or reducing the input costs, whether it's fuel consumption, labour content, etc. Technology is vital. It's certainly worth paying extra for. We're looking to apply technology wherever we can. We're always wanting to understand what the equipment manufacturers are doing in the technology space so that we can marry that up with our clients' demands and release value to our customers. The top things we'd consider when we're looking for an equipment supplier is the actual life cycle cost of the equipment that we're buying. So we want to know what the upfront capital component is, what the ongoing maintenance component is, and what the resale is at the end of the life of that equipment. We're also very keen to understand the relationship that we have with the equipment supplier to ensure that they'll support that equipment through that life cycle to deliver the maximum uptime and support when we have problems along the way. So recently we've acquired 4 new 972 XE loaders. We selected the XE loader due to the fuel efficiency improvements. The XE loader, when trialled against the standard equipment, is delivering around 25% fuel burn efficiency. And for us, that's not only a direct cost savings, but it also is an environmental benefit going forward, and it's something that we're pursuing in our business. We've got a lot of long-term employees. Most of them have got 10 to 15 years experience and have been operating CAT equipment for a long period of time. Our operators love the 972 XE. The 972 XEs that we've just recently acquired have the same standard features that you'd expect in the CAT, with some improvements around operability and certainly delivering the fuel. We've had a relationship with WesTrac for over 10 years. We've always found the people at WesTrac very reliable, they're honest, they certainly look to work with us to help improve our business, and we really value the strong relationship. Customer value agreement gives us certainty over cost, maintenance costs. It also gives us certainty over the uptime that we're expecting from the equipment. It allows us to better plan our business. VisionLink allows us to monitor the equipment, where it is, how it's being operated. It allows us to make decisions around operator performance, operator productivity, and also allows us to make decisions around when the equipment needs to be maintained. VisionLink is very easy to use. It's a Windows-based system, so anybody who can use a laptop computer can use it. We make decisions all the time around how our operators are performing using VisionLink. If we see something that's outside of normal parameters, it allows us the opportunity to intervene, whether that's to have a discussion with our operators or whether there's a retraining opportunity that is provided.